Hello YouTube, I am Colaboy. Welcome back to my channel. I have bought something which seems to be a waste of money. I might have made a mistake and I need you guys to confirm that. So please help me, write in the comments and let's see if this really was a retarded thing to buy. Let's go! There have been quite some break-ins in this area where I live. So what I bought was the following. I thought to buy an extra lock for on my garden door. A part you put on the door and a part you put on the window. And so if anyone succeeds in opening the normal lock, like drilling a hole or breaking it, the door will still be locked from the inside. So pretty simple, I thought. Screw it on and I'm set. However, I might have overseen something. Let's take a look. So the whole idea was to put this lock on this garden door. There's the lock here and the other part here on the window and we're set. However, if you look here, there is this whole metal strip and a whole lock mechanism. The problem is, I think, if I start drilling here, I will destroy the mechanism because all kinds of stuff is going on in here. It's not just plain wood, I think. So is that true? Can I drill here to fit a lock, or am I going to destroy the lock which is already here, which is a 3-point lock? Please help me out, write in the comments, Twitter me at I am Colaboy, whatever, write me an email and help me out, because really, I'm a nightmare with construction things. I don't want to ruin my door. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.